look at it, John.
I know.
3 mounds of vanilla ice cream,
I love vanilla.
chocolate syrup, strawberry, and caramel.
Caramel is so good.
Whipped cream and 3 cherries.
And a banana.
A banana split in 2, holding it all together like it's lifted in prayer. That's right.
Isn't it just so...
Lovely.
I was going to say sad.
Sad? How can this be sad? It's ice cream. It's a banana split.
Exactly, the poor banana. What did it do to deserve to be split?
You're worried about the banana?
I just feel sorry for it, you know? I know how painful it is when I feel split in 2, when like the world grabs my heart and just rips it in 2.
John, it's not your heart. It's a banana. And if it wasn't there, this wouldn't be a banana split, would it?
It would be delicious.
Okay, still delicious, but not as delicious as if the banana wasn't in it.
But did they really have to split it?
John, you can't have a banana split without splitting the banana. I know it's sad, but think of the joyful things God has done in your life when your heart was split. It's never fun to have a broken heart, but God always takes those hurts and makes something beautiful out of them.
You know, you're right. This banana wasn't meant to be pitied.
You're right. This banana can remind us that when we get hurt, God can heal us and make life sweeter than a banana split.
Actually, I was going to say this banana is meant to be eaten. But I like what you said better.